Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the Vevor Mechanics Tool Set. This thing has everything. I love the fact that it has 450 pieces. It's really nice and compact, so it's got a nice carrying handle on the top that's ergonomic for your hand, so it's easy to carry around. It has locking on all sides, so it's nice and locked in. This front piece locks up too, just like that, so your drawers will not pop open. So I like all of those features of it. The nice thing about it is that it has everything you can think of. So if you're going on a job or doing something, you can have everything with you in one easy toolkit. So it has all these little different wrenches that you want and that sort of thing on a job. So they say it's a mechanics tool set, but obviously it has a ton of things that you can do with it. Full sockets, full range, even big sockets are all in there for it. So it has that. It has all of your socket wrenches. It has your screwdrivers with all of your different bits to it and that sort of thing. So when you want to, when anything you really need, as long as you put it back in its spot, you have everything with you, which is really kind of a nice feature. And then it has a ridiculous amount, larger socket wrench, of course, for larger mechanic jobs or whatever you're working on, need more leverage, that sort of thing. Look at the amount of different options you have with your screwdriver. So back to this. So when you have all of these little sockets and things like that, everything is just at your fingertips. So any job that you have, look at the amount of stuff it has with it. It's fantastic. And so prior to this, and this keeps it nice and organized for you too, but prior to this, if you had anything like this in your garage or storage unit like I have over there, it is a mess. So for me to find things, it takes me longer to find things than it takes me to actually do the job. So this is really nice. Make sure you put everything back where you found it. And when you do, you have an easy on-the-go toolkit that has all your essentials that you need for any job that you're really looking to complete. So lock it up, take it with you. I always throw a couple extra screwdrivers in there and a hammer because that's just usually what I need to do. But really nice. And this thing goes for about $150. You can see in the Amazon link below. I'll put an Amazon link in there. This has got everything you can think of. They always say, like Vevor tools, they always say it's like all the tools you need for half the price. It's kind of one of their things. Check it out. I'll put a link in the description below. I love the compactness of this. I can chuck it in my truck. I have everything with me, and we're on the go. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. If you're looking for a toolkit, this Vevor Mechanics Tool Set is fantastic. They also have a lot of other products, garage storage, all things like that. We'll start doing more reviews on those as well.